I'm going to trade the PCE data this morning. Just wanted to show y'all how I trade these economic data. So I think I'm going to short this today since we're right at the major level of resistance. So I'm just going to sell at market. And then I'm just going to immediately set a buy order limit at, oh wait, let me get rid of that. I'm in at 16,964.75, so I'm going to set my buy limit at 16,954.75. Whoops. 6. Preview. Place order. And we will wait and see what happens. This is the Schwab trading window. I don't really like it too much. Sometimes these orders don't show properly. Now we wait a couple minutes and see if I can make 200 bucks. I usually just scalp 10 or 12 points on data. Just quick little trade. I don't try to get rich or nothing. One contract. All of these rectangles are, this is a 1 minute chart, by the way. All of these rectangles are fair value gaps. If you're familiar with ICT concept or inner circle trader, you'll understand these concepts. The green ones have actually hit. I usually aim for the middle 50% of the fair value gap. ICT calls that constant encroachment. But normally that 50%, now see I just hit, so I just made a couple $100 there, pretty quick and easy. I could have bought or sold. But anyway, back to these fair value gaps. If they're green, that means they've hit already. This one hit earlier is why it was already green. It just happened to be my target today as well. These blue ones are bullish fair value gaps that have not hit yet. I expect sometime today they probably will. So that's it for now. I'll have more later. Thanks for watching.